Tutorial I will guide you where is read aloud option in MS Word. First you need to open your document in the MS Word, and after that you need to click on the review tab on the top menu bar. Here is the review tab. Click on that, and on the left side you will see that read aloud option. So when you click on that,
Outstretched hands of wicketkeeper Derek Murray for 4 byes.
the option is
It hit the white wall
activated.
acting
If
as
you
a
want
side
to
screen behind him after
deactivate
one bounce
it,
and left a
then
big red mark on it.
click on option again. So a read aloud option will be stopped. The shortcut key for the read aloud option is that you need to press Alt Control plus spacebar.
At that moment, I changed my mind and ducked under all the bouncers.
And
from
you can
Michael
see
Jordan.
that read
I went
aloud
down with
option
all
is
his guns
started.
firing in
And if you
Indian
want to
power
stop
and
it again,
despair.
then you need to again
Without the
press
British
Alt
Caribbean, it is
Control plus
impossible.
space. So this will stop the read aloud option. So I hope now you can easily use this MS Word function. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.